Good morning, all, to Azure Talks. Today, we will start with the questionnaires which is posted by the group. There was a question that how we can actually capture a VM and then create a virtual machine out of it. So today we will do the practical on that. Basically, it's a create a managed image in the VM. So let's get started. So hope you can see my screen and voice is getting properly. So what we have to do, we have to select the proper image which we need to get imaged, okay, or captured in an image. So let's click on the VM. And if you see this virtual machine, which is the test VM, you see a capture button over here. So click on that. Okay, so we once we have clicked on the create a image, or the capture. So I will just rephrase it. Sorry for the pause. Uh, we will click on the capture and then go for the resource group. So in the same resource group, we will create it. Let me tell you about why we need a image for the VM. So basically, when we talk about an image, it will be a managed image. So basically, a managed image resource can be created by generalized virtual machine, which is the VM, that is stored as either a managed disk or an unmanaged disk in the storage account. So that's storage is our part how we want to store it. Okay, so basically this one managed image supports up to 20 simultaneously deployments. Attempted to create more than 20 VMs concurrently from the same virtual machine image, managed image, may result in the timeout. So better is to have the less than 20 uh, 20 VSD simultaneously. Okay, less than 20 would be good. So basically what we do is as a prerequisite we should have a VM which is already created. Now once the VM is created we will go ahead and try to get the details. First we have to do it. We have to select the proper resource group. So this is our whatever resource group which we have created is will be listed over here. And then share image in the shared library. Yes, we want to share it. And then automatically delete the virtual machine after creating the image. So whatever virtual machine we are creating, we can get the once we click it, it will be deleted. This test VM will be created. So we will not delete it right now. We will just say OK. And then target image value. So we will not make it any target image value. Okay. So we will just make it as create. Okay. So we will choose the generalized VM and then I think this would be uh, 0 since we are doing it for first time, so we will make it as the 001. And then end of the date means end of the life date means if you want to expire this particular image, you can make it a some particular time and date and date basically. And right now, I don't wish to get it expire. I will just say no problem and then go for the next tagging. So I will tag it as test VM image and I will make it as a uh, demo and then say next. Okay, so since the validation is failed, we need to check basic what left. Okay, so it is asking me to create a target image, so I will go ahead and create it. I will make it as VM image. Okay, so uh, yes, I need to create a definition as well. So I will make it as test VM image, and it is already a Windows, so I think we are good. So I think this all are not needed. We can just say OK, go to target, review, and see if this validation passes. Yes. So then it has got passed, and we will say click create. So this can be also done with the help of the PowerShell, PowerShell. Yes. So, but I think since we have created from the UI, it is good. Okay. So once this is done, I will just show up how we can access that created image file. So we will try to create a virtual machine out of that image. So this might take some time, probably 1 or 2 minutes. So in the meantime, I will just pause the video. Okay, so that's underway and it will be done soon. So it is actually, if you see, it has created the gallery, and that the VM image is saved as image, and then it is doing the versioning as well. And once that is done, it will create the image for the. So basically, right now it is creating the image. So while this is taking time, we will wait and see if it is getting processed. So perfect. So it has been deployed. Okay, so we will go to the resource. So if you see, this image version is created, and okay, so let me go to the home, go to the resource group, and if you see, there is a image definition, and then we have the shared image library, and then on the top of A we have the image version. Okay, so what we will do, we will click on the image version, VM, VM image, and this is the image which has been created. Okay, and over here, if you see that this is the first version, and within this version, we have the option to create a VM. So we will click on this, and yes, so it will automatically, if you see this, the image has been automatically arrived, and you can, based on your parameters, you can then create a same virtual machine on the Azure. So this by the, and let's suppose the VM is having a different size. This VM you may downgrade it or you may upgrade it. So that depends upon the cost or the purpose you are ramping it up. So I think today's session was completed successfully. In case you have any issues or doubts, please post it on the uh, link in the chat window, or you can actually join our Azure Talks group on Telegram, as well as we are on LinkedIn. You can search for Azure Talks. There is a group and there is a page as well. And in case you require more help, you can WhatsApp me in the channel surely. And do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much, and you have a good day. Bye bye.